Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike with thegentlemanracer.com, and today we are unveiling the final edition of our Bulova Racing Team van that we've been working on. This is the final video in our series, and we're happy to show you how well it turned out. For those of you who have not been following along, this project has been going on for the last few months. We started out with basically a vintage, period correct, well-worn 1962 Ford Econoline van that we found up in Idaho. We hauled it back to Texas and took it to our friends over at Apex Auto Works, who did this beautiful Guardsman blue and white paint scheme on it. And then we stopped off at Sean Starr's studio in Calvert, Texas, and he hand painted all the lettering. We've got videos of each of those processes you can go watch as we went through the whole build. Then our team has been putting all the final touches on the van, and that's what we're most excited to show you about here. So a big part of this project was actually tracking down original parts and pieces and some of the detail things that we really wanted to make this feel like it's a correct period 1962 Econoline van. That meant that we had to replace the front bumpers, which actually came off of a Ford Bronco because they do not make reproductions of these bumpers for the Econoline. We tracked down original dash plaques from the 1960s that would have been on a race team's van. They would have collected as they went to all the different races. We even tracked down some original pit passes and things like that that would have been hanging from the windshield of this truck as it traveled across the country in the 1960s supporting Bulova's racing team. Now, since Bulova is based in New York, we want to obviously include a bunch of New York-based things. So on the door, it actually has Bulova's original address from the 1960s where they were located. But on the back, we found a 1962 New York license plate, original New York region SCCA stickers and Watson Glen stickers, which would be something that would be on this van in the 1960s. And then also we did this kind of new retro Bulova Racing Team logo with the checkered flags go on the back to complement Sean Starr's paintwork on the side. We did the entire interior in the white color that would have been the original kind of factory work van white, and then painted the outside as they would have done back in the day, because most of these vehicles were ordered in factory Wimbledon white. We went to Pose Upholstery, who put these beautiful seat covers on that are original style. Our team at Apex repainted this a little more stylistically than it would have been. This would have been black originally, but they decided to make it match the paint scheme, which is kind of a fun little touch. And then we've added all these little touches like the dash plaques and other little details that kind of make it feel more period correct. Something that you may notice is this original roof rack that's on this truck. Now, these were very common back in the day, and this was already on the vehicle when we acquired it, so we decided to keep it and kind of incorporate it into the race team van. Something you could throw race tires up on or even stand on if you're at the race watching as the race team doing your timing. Now, the biggest thing about this vehicle is obviously the hand-painted graphics. All of these graphics here were hand-painted by Sean Starr. We did the design layout, but it's a really cool thing to watch him actually go back and hand paint these graphics on there. And it adds just such an element of realism to it. Instead of being just a vinyl sticker stuck on for a quick photo shoot, you know, we actually committed and painted this van to have Bulova Racing Team be a part of it permanently. Powering this 1962 Econoline van is the original 144 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder with a 3-speed manual transmission that is shifted on the column. So mechanically, it's basically bone stock as it would have been back in 1962. But that's perfect because we're going to be driving around in this vehicle at events, so be sure to look for it as we're out and about. So this van is going to be used at events across the country, so look for it at Monterey Car Week, at CVAR events, other vintage racing events. We're going to be taking this thing cross country at all kinds of different activations, so be sure to be on the lookout for it, and if you see it, come by and say hi.